Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hello, everyone. What are you?
Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are.
Okay, okay, perfect.
Hello's opening.
Good morning, Gianluca. How are you?
Good morning, Bobby. I'm good. I'm fine, thanks. You?
Okay. I'm
morning.
on my phone. I'm on my phone because I can't get my computer to listen to me, so I might show up twice.
Okay, okay. No problem.
I'm gonna try anyway. How was your weekend?
Yeah, good, very good. Yeah, also, I checked the file out and it's pretty finished. It's complete now. And so I think we can decide to the three top candidates in order to send the email to me.
Okay, that sounds great. Do you want to share your screen and show us who we have, or
Yeah, sure.
that's awesome.
Okay. Yeah, I see. This is one candidate. I interviewed him, Sarvesh Atawan. Yeah, in my opinion, he already collaborated in Discord channel, proposing some solution, and also he shared a video where he already implemented a solution for the AI.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, yeah. It's but all, he shared a live solution to me. Yeah, I think it's that one.
Yeah, he shared with me that solution on it also, and he like even before we started he, and he shared with me that video on LinkedIn.
Yeah, I think that one. I don't know if I can. I'm able to. Yeah, it's a recording. No, it's not. Maybe. Do you see my screen?
Yeah, we can.
It's in my React application.
This is great.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
really, really pretty.
Yeah. We can add one audio button just near the, send button. That will make it more efficient.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. We will talk. We will talk with him. And yeah, I think it's also test something on using a cloud. The name is was.ai. Yeah, was.ai, I think. And also I solved that issue because now the system in the response showed HTML link and also encode, and the solution is to use a special function to read the docs documents. I will push the code in few days, and yeah, used I think West AI. AI. Yes, that one. Yeah, which is similar to RunPod, I think. Yeah, in the future, if you want to use. And the other best candidate is Jacqueline.
Yeah,
Yes.
she has
Okay.
a lot of like AI/ML knowledge. She also worked with Amazon,
Mm-hmm.
and I think she was very enthusiastic about the project and was very energetic when she was answering the question, even though she hasn't any like. I do did ask him this did ask her about the changes she can make while I showed her the demo of
Mm-hmm.
the one that we used in the presentation, and she made really good points. So I think she had a really good profile.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. And
And I'll just go for myself. I
mhm,
interviewed the four. They are all excellent candidates. They're so involved in the project already and knew what they were talking about. But Madhu Gula Jagram actually is Jay is the name. It's switched in the thing. He went ahead and did like a proposal. And I think he shared it with everybody already. So he was my number one just because he was so showed up at the meetings, LinkedIn me, was on time for the interview, and it was a really good, like everyone says, they're so enthusiastic. So it's so hard to just pick, but he was my number one. So that was me.
okay. Which is the name? Sorry.
Madula J-Ram.
Uh,
Yep,
no,
number
yeah, the
22.
second one. Okay. So
But actually his
yeah.
first name is J-Ram.
Okay, sorry. So the first three are Sarvesh, um, Madhugla, and yeah, also yeah. So sorry for the
Well, I
pronunciation.
don't necessarily know if he's in the top three. I just wanted to say that was my one out of all the interviews I did. So I don't know if
Okay,
you're gonna decide he makes it to the top three, but he was just a standout for me.
okay. Yeah, we can decide because also Pravina has the same grade. We can decide together the list because mean as you know ask the also the
Yeah, so I interviewed Praveen.
yeah, go ahead, Aruna.
Yeah, so I interviewed Praveena and she actually worked on building a AI chatbot for Oracle that yeah, without any human intervention, just using the chatbot, they can schedule leads. So if they apply for leads, the AI chatbot itself will check everything and then confirm the lead or deny it or suggest something else. So she worked on building a AI chatbot that is very similar to the one that we will be working on. And she was also very enthusiastic about the project. She um, learns really about the current, she went through the current architecture, looked through the current code, and also suggested various architectures in which we can go ahead and build a chatbot. So for me, she was the best candidate. And also I felt she was way more collaborative than the other candidates that I interviewed. She quickly understood the question and could immediately understand that what I am asking and what I'm trying to get out of her. So for me, she was the best candidate, but I still feel Sarvesh is uh, should be the top priority because he has actually implemented a solution and showed us send us a video. So I think for me, Sarvesh was better. but Ravina could also make it to the top.
Okay. How to decide? Yeah.
I
Because
think
yeah,
the
yeah.
guy,
Sorry. Go ahead.
the guy who implemented, I think that's the like clear choice because he really worked on it, and the proof of work is like better than anything else. So my
So
vote goes.
Exactly.
Yeah,
okay, Sarvesh,
yeah.
the the first one, and the second one, Pravina or Madhu Gula. The-
I did notice one thing about Pravina that she has 2 pages in her resume.
Bobby, what do you think about which is
I'm
the
actually
best?
trying to. I'm trying to pull up the. If you want, click on the names, and we could just look at their resumes for a second, and the
Yeah.
stuff that they did, and maybe that'll help us figure it out.
Okay. Undergrad students, experience IoT, cybersecurity, internet, software development, beyond exam, project inventory.
And my computer's working so slow. I'm trying to find the link to the thing he designed for us.
Oh,
So
sorry, I'm sharing on screen the.
yes, no, that's perfect. Yeah, so we're reading that. Um,
Okay, legal
but he
CPT
also
is
designed something for us. Um,
job the logo. Yeah, okay.
yeah, he has excellent technical skills. Showed up, reached out.
Yeah, it's open source model.
He seems to have been working in the AI area for a while and understands all the ins and outs. Here, let me see if I can.
Okay,
So if you go back to the spreadsheet
yes.
and click on, is his ID number clickable? Or go to I'm trying to get to his submission because he also did so. I'll move on to the next candidate while I look for it.
Okay, that one, Pravina, maybe, Chris. Okay, that one. Yeah, maybe. Okay, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I like to propose this list. I don't know, but
You can also see
Yeah.
Jacqueline. She can you open her resume also?
yes. Do you see my screen? Because
Yeah,
I'm sharing of the resume of Pravina,
yeah,
and it seems she is working on Web3 and NFT application.
yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I think she already applied to other other projects of the Ledger mentorship program,
Oh, okay.
in my opinion. How to decide, Bobby?
Could you open the link that I sent it you in the chat box?
Uh, sorry, the link of the,
Link in the chat box.
uh,
I shared a link in the chat box, Zoom chat box.
okay, sorry. Yeah, 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 sure. Okay, that one. Okay, Jacqueline. Okay,
I liked her because she majored in machine intelligence. That was the main, selling point for me.
okay.
For like, yeah.
Yeah, oh, yeah. She's working. Yeah, maybe she could
I
be.
just wanted to add, Pravina is also currently working in Oracle.
City of Toronto. She has experience
They are
in.
all so close. Can we send 4?
Yeah, yeah, Lexington. I don't know. Maybe because this the guy of the video, but I don't know. Uh,
It's very close.
yeah,
If you want, we can rank them, the 4 of them. Each one of us put a vote in the chat, and then the one who has the most points, I don't know, if that seems fair.
yeah, yeah, yeah. We can. Yeah, we can vote the four candidates. Um, yeah, yeah. We can put the grade on the chat and can decide together
Okay, so let's see.
about
Yeah,
the
just do me a favor. Could you put numbers in front of them so we just have to type the numbers in the chat?
okay.
Swapnil is saying, I don't see any links in the project in Praveena's resume.
Yes, I also asked her this question and she said me that she will add it, but yeah, she has not currently added it for the project.
Okay, about number. Um,
You need to see your screen again.
yeah, yeah. Sorry.
Oh, no worries.
Yeah. Okay, this is the number of Pravina is that one.
No. I just meant on our list of 4, go 1, 2, 3, 4, so we can put those numbers for our ranking. So, for instance, my
Ah,
rank
okay. Sorry.
3, 2, 1, 4 would be basically how I would say. So, yeah, exactly.
Sorry. Now I understand.
Go.
Okay.
So I put mine in the chat.
Okay. Richard is Pravina Artuna. Maybe. Yeah, me the same.
Well, there you have it.
Yeah, but because the
Ooh, we gotta switch.
okay.
What was the numbering? First was, I guess, Shashwat, and second. Okay.
Well, it's obvious who our number one is, I think, so.
Yeah. I'm just opening their LinkedIn so that I can see which one is much looking better than the other.
And then again, I'm not sure, Gianluca, do we hand this into Min ranked, or do we just give her 3 random names without
No,
rank?
no, yeah, at least I sorted the list.
Okay.
Sorted the list. So yeah, the best one, best second, best third. And yeah, in okay, 1, 3. Okay, I think 1, 3, 2, 4 win.
Yep.
Yeah, okay, 1, 3. Yeah, that one.
And then when you send that to Min, I'm gonna
Mm-hmm.
share
Yeah,
my screen a
can I
second.
okay,
Okay, no,
do you
you go
want?
ahead. You finish.
Yeah, can I share the email because yeah, the she wrote. Let me know your top 3 candidates ranked from top
Okay.
1 to 3, including your project name, applicant's full name, and email address. Will not accept blah blah blah. But important is also said last but not least, we ask that you give all candidates equal consideration, especially those from underrepresented groups in the open source community. So, yeah, because I read again the mail. I'd like to conduct also other candidates because there are many ladies who wants to participate. So I'm happy to conduct all the other candidates in order to have the same opportunities for male and female. This is my
Well,
opinion.
that was kind of what I wanted to talk to you about. So you send those 3 into Min. I think that we've done that because we didn't look at any of the demographics when we were just, we were just looking for their technical skill. At least I was. And there's only going to be one person, so that's kind of hard when you're looking at the best qualified to qualify it like that, if that makes sense. So I just want to. So the way I did this, so if I could share my screen for just a
Yeah,
minute.
yes, yes, sure.
Okay, it's over. My computer is so slow. I apologize. Share the screen. Which one? I want to share that one. Okay, hopefully you can see my screen. Just let me know when you can.
Yes, yes, now. Yes,
So what we're going to have to do moving forward, if we really want this to be more than just a one mentee project, is we're going to have to break it out into teams. And what I suggest is that through the collaborative learning program, we also have heads of teams, so to speak. So what I thought, and I could be, way off on this, I just did it really, really quick, was 2 basic teams. One is the development, actually working on the databases, the back end, designing the front end, doing the wireframes, all that stuff is the development teams. And then the business teams, which are the teams that will, obviously get this up and running as a business so the code just doesn't sit in a repository and no one knows about it. So I think that I also want to let me just close this real quick on my computer is not really something. again, the project plan is something we can go over later, but when you break it out into teams, when we did that template, where's the template? And we had these 2 letters. And this 1 letter down here, for the people who, for everyone else, come on, computer, you can do it. You can do, thank you. For everybody else, I think maybe we need, like, cause I intend to send this to the people that, I really ranked high, but didn't make it into the final on my list of 75. So I've sent this out to some people already, and I'm just keeping track of who that is. But I think we should have, and it's completely up to the team, change this letter and ask and send it to the top of our, Excel worksheet, asking them to possibly be a leader for one of these teams. What do you think?
I like it, especially the graph. Yeah, it's clear. I like it.
And then when you put the mentee who is actually getting the stipends in the project management team leader position, and then you can either pick a lead of development and have 3 other people with responsibilities. Again, it depends on how many people actually file into the collaborative learning program and take these leadership roles. But then you can say, you're a lead, a team lead or something, on your LinkedIn resume, and get excited that way. So that was just what I thought for when Min tells us who the one is, to rewrite that general letter, ask, and maybe put the graph in there saying we're going to need heads of these teams. If you're you were such a standout candidate that we'd like to see you maybe step up for one of these non-compensated leadership roles.
Great. Yeah, it's great. It's great, and also, in my opinion, it's great also because we can dedicate effort to the business topics, because we need to spread our project, but also it's precious the feedback from other communities, individuals, companies. So it's very important also to write a white paper or blog posts and so on. Yeah, I like it.
Well, that's and education. That's where I'm also going to put that Kindle book where we're going to, our education materials we're going to publish. So that will, really kick things off as well. And I've also just been putting, and I encourage everyone, the 5 of us, to do this. I put a source for resources because there's so much going on outside with different stuff. So it's just reading material. And if you guys have come across anything, like I read somewhere, I didn't get a copy for the link though, something about an AI chatbot coming out and they named him something for your enterprise. I'll find that link and put it on here too. So it's just information that has to do with our project from external sources that we should, maybe discuss or at least be aware of. So that's just the only other thing I put up there. For us to, I didn't share my screen. Hold on, I'll show you where it is.
Okay, good. Very good.
So it's the resource page under the lab project resources, and I just put links to stuff that I think are interesting. And please feel free to drop links in when you come across something that you think we should be aware of.
Okay, sure. I have also some links on Udemy courses or some books that people can read. So yeah, it's important. It's important also because many candidates ask me about the training step, the onboarding and the training step. So also I'm talking about with them, saying that all volunteers has the same opportunity to up skills and to improve the technical skills.
And I think we should term ourselves as advisors to these project leads. So like, for instance, Triport could be the educational or the tech writing advisor, or you know what I mean? So that there's for those candidates that are managers, they have someone directly to respond back to. So think about where you see yourself being the most beneficial in that diagram. Actually, I'll send a link to that diagram. Oh, it's on my page. You guys know where it is. It's right under 2024 mentorship programs in our FAQ lab button. So that's about, trying to get your head around that. I think we'll hit the ground running. And that's the other thing. Let me see if I can get there real quick too. Let me share my screen again. What am I looking for? Mentorship projects. Come on, drop down. Oh, I'm getting a new computer. Not soon enough. Come on. So the communication, Gianluca, between you and Min is like a higher level overview of the project. And that all happens on the page under the mentorship program. And I believe you're going to be the only one who can edit it, which is, just for consistency and safety. So if I can ever get to the page. Okay, see that. Let's see if this does it. So when the project starts, there's like, I think, quarterly or monthly, I'm not sure how she's going to run it this time, check-ins. And basically what it is this, she's going to ask you to put this information once the project really gets started. I think I don't know if she's already done that to you, but put your weekly deliverables. And again, I just did this from a chatbot, and then I found out I couldn't edit it. So,
Okay.
so basically it doesn't have to be accurate. It just has to, kind of cover what we want the project to cover, week 1 to week, whatever the project, how long it runs to. I'm not sure how many weeks it is. And then she's going to put like a checkbox at the bottom of each week for you to go in at the end and just say, yes, completed to satisfaction, completed. And that's basically all the reporting you do to Min is just, check off that the mentee has completed the things that you require. And again, you can ask Arunima. I used the mentee for communications, for telling everyone, and because I find that's what I'm the weakest at. So I was like, okay, you're in charge of telling everyone when the meetings are and sending out the emails. So again, that can be like the overall, and if we do have the different project leads, the mentee would be responsible for getting them all on the same page for the meeting on Monday when they present to us, kind of idea. That's just a suggestion, as well as all the other.
Okay, clear. Yeah, I mean, we can also change something on that timeline, but for me it's
Change the
good.
whole thing. Yeah,
It's good. Yeah, it's good. It's a good idea to start with that timeline. We can change something, but every Monday we can put like a tick. That means which is done, and also let me know about the progress of the project. Yeah, it's clear.
awesome.
Okay, so next step. I today I'm sending the email to Min, and the other email, the second email to the other candidates. Will send that when after the notification from LFX.
Yes.
Correct.
In the
Okay.
meantime, let me see if I can get back to it quick enough to give you the link. If anybody wants to take a swing at, and I will look at it too, creating under that template page a letter for the leads.
Okay.
hold on, I'll drop the link in the chat where that is, if my computer lets me. It's loading. Yeah, so there'll be 2 letters to go out to the people who stood out, or just, you want to reach out because they've reached out to us. All right, there it is. So it's on this page. Let me just copy that link. Oh, my computer is so bad. All right, well, I'm getting there. It closed down my browser, so. It's under templates, under the FAQ lab page. So if you want to take a swing at that to improve it, to invite people to be leads on that different teams, go ahead, and I'll, if I have time this week, I'll take a swing at it too. And when do you think Min gets back to us with the answer? Does she give you an idea?
Sorry, when, yeah, data are, I share again my screen. Okay, the dates, the other dates are, okay, between 27 and 31st of May, selected Mendy notification and acceptance.
Okay, so before our next meeting. So if we want to meet again, to just go over, because I don't want to send out the collaborative learning program more than once to the people who we want as team leads. So can we wait till Monday to send that, or do you want to send it before?
Yeah,
I think we can wait till Monday.
Okay, so so if anybody wants to take a swing at changing that template to invite people to be team leads, we'll go over it Monday, and then we'll send it out to everybody who was not the selected candidate.
Okay.
And can you share that template link in the chat box of LinkedIn group?
I am trying. Give me 2 minutes.
Okay.
It's on the
Yeah, it's under that page.
yeah, right there, templates.
Okay.
And then that graph is under, if you go under the mentorship program, I have a file with my name on it. It's under my page there.
That one.
Yeah, this is the one, but this is very general. I want to make one more, a little higher level for the really good candidates, like number 3
Okay.
to list. To
So
invite.
perfect. At the bottom of that page,
Yep.
there is the template for everyone else, but we need a second template for people who wants to lead a team.
Exactly.
Okay.
Great.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. Well, thank you, and I guess we'll see everybody on Monday.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much to everyone.
Reach out on LinkedIn.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Bobby. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice week.
You too.
Bye.
Talk soon. Bye. Bye.